Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're exploring a vital strategy for taking control of your financial future, negotiating with creditors. Whether you're facing late payments, collections, or high interest rates, learning how to negotiate can help you improve your credit and ease your financial stress. I'll walk you through every step from preparation to follow-up so you're ready to tackle these conversations confidently. Let's get started. First, let's discuss why negotiating with creditors is so important. Your credit score affects everything from loan interest rates to housing opportunities. Negative marks, like late payments or collections, can linger on your report and lower your score. By negotiating, you can request removal of negative entries, such as a one-time late payment or a collection account, secure more favorable terms, such as lower interest rates or a more manageable payment plan. Improve your overall credit health. Even small adjustments can lead to a significant boost over time. Negotiating isn't about avoiding responsibility, it's about proactively managing your credit. Preparation is the cornerstone of a successful negotiation. Here's what you need to do before picking up the phone or drafting an email. Review your credit report. Obtain your latest reports from Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. Identify all negative items and note the details, dates, amounts, and account numbers. Together, documentation. Collect bank statements, payment records, and any correspondence with your creditor. If there's an error or extenuating circumstance, like a medical emergency or job loss, have evidence ready. Define your goals. Are you asking for a Goodwill adjustment to remove a late payment? Do you need a lower interest rate or a restructured payment plan? Write down your goals clearly so you can stay focused during the discussion. Know your rights. Familiarize yourself with the Fair Credit Reporting Act, FCRA, and the Fair Debt Collection Practices Act, FDCPA. Understanding these can help you negotiate from a position of knowledge. Practice your script. Draft a rough outline or script of what you want to say. Practice with a friend or in front of a mirror to build confidence. There are several strategies you can use when negotiating with creditors. The three primary approaches include Goodwill adjustment. This is when you ask the creditor to remove a negative mark, typically a late payment, based on your overall positive payment history. Pay for delete arrangement. With this approach, you agree to pay off a debt or settle for a reduced amount in exchange for the creditor removing the negative entry from your credit report. Requesting lower interest rates or modified payment plans. If your payments are becoming unmanageable, you can negotiate to lower your interest rate or adjust your payment schedule to better fit your current financial situation. Each strategy has its own considerations, and sometimes you may combine approaches depending on your circumstances. I'm on the call or sending your email. Keep these best practices in mind. Stay calm and respectful. Begin the conversation politely. A friendly tone goes a long way, even if you're nervous. Keep the discussion professional. Be clear and concise. State your case clearly. Let the creditor know exactly what you're requesting and why. Listen actively. Allow the creditor to speak and consider any counteroffers they might suggest. Negotiation is a two-way street. Take notes. During the call, jot down important details, names, dates, and what was agreed upon. This documentation can be crucial later. Follow-up. If you don't hear back within the agreed-upon time frame, don't hesitate to follow up. Persistence is key. Sometimes the response you receive might not be what you hoped for. Here's how to handle objections. If they say no, ask if there are alternative options available. For example, I understand. Is there another way we might work together to improve my payment terms or remove the negative entry? If they need more information, offer to send additional documentation or explain your situation in further detail. This shows you're committed and serious about resolving the issue. If they counteroffer, listen carefully and assess whether their counteroffer meets your needs. It may not be perfect, but even a small adjustment can help your credit over time. Remember, a no today may turn into a yes with a follow-up call or by speaking with a different representative. Documenting every step of your negotiations is essential. Create a file or spreadsheet that includes dates and times when you made each call or sent an email, names of representatives, who you spoke with, and their contact information. Summary of conversations. What was discussed, agreed upon, and any follow-up required. Copies of correspondence save, emails, letters, and any other documents exchanged. These records can be invaluable if you need to reference past conversations or if a dispute arises later. By many, negotiations can be handled on your own. Sometimes the process can feel overwhelming. Consider seeking professional help if you're dealing with multiple negative items and feel unsure how to proceed. You've tried negotiating on your own without success. You need expert guidance on your overall credit repair strategy. Research reputable credit counseling services or professional credit repair organizations. Just be sure to check reviews and verify their credentials before committing. Let's quickly recap everything we've covered today. Prepare thoroughly. Review your credit report, gather documentation, and define your goals. Understand your options, whether it's a Goodwill adjustment, a pay-for-leak, or a modified payment plan. Know what you're asking for. Use clear, polite communication. Rely on our sample scripts and best practices to guide your conversation. Document everything. Keep detailed records of all interactions. Follow up and stay persistent. Negotiations can take time, but your efforts will pay off. Seek professional help if needed. Don't hesitate to reach out if the process becomes overwhelming. Remember, every small improvement counts toward a healthier credit profile. By taking control of these negotiations, you're not only improving your credit, but also taking a major step toward financial empowerment. Thank you so much for watching this video on negotiating with creditors to improve your credit. If you found these tips useful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to MT Channel for more financial insights. I'd love to hear about your experiences or any questions you might have, so please share your stories in the comments below. Remember, negotiating with creditors isn't just about fixing your credit, it's about taking charge of your financial future. Until next time, take care, stay persistent, and keep working toward your goals.